Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is your host, Pran, CEO here at Gen Z Marketing. Welcome to part two of the Art of SEOs series. Today, we'll be discussing why search engine marketing is so important. Why is Eugene saying something? Okay, Eugene, this is his OCD, sorry, bugging me. We'll get into SERPstat later. All right. So yeah, why is search engine marketing important? So if you watch the first video of the series, What is SEO? You may understand what are some things the search engine algorithms are looking for, right? Well, why is it important to rank? Why is it important to be on the first page? Why is it important to be top 5, top 3, right? That's what we're going to discuss today. So if you're watching this video right now, most likely you made a search for something like SEO Winnipeg or Richmond SEO, London Ontario SEO, Vancouver SEO. I don't know. We're ranking for like 25 cities in Canada. So you probably search for X city, let's just say Toronto, and then SEO or digital marketing, right? Because I'm assuming you're looking for SEO or digital marketing services and therefore looking at potential clients you want to hire or partner up with. And you're somewhere in that sales cycle, shopping around, investigating what is exactly digital marketing and how can that help you. Okay, so the same principle applies for any industry. I'll use the same example as last video, criminal lawyers in Winnipeg. Okay, say that you're looking for a criminal lawyer, right? Yes, you might be referred. You could be referred to a lawyer by a friend or a colleague, but that's not always the case. And even if it is, you should get a second opinion. Most people get a second opinion, right? So where do you find like a lawyer or a dentist or a barber, right? Google it. It's part of our culture. Most transactions begin with a Google search. 81% of consumers and 77% of B2B customers use the search engines to research their purchases, right? That makes sense, right? You're not gonna go blindly and make a purchase, right? The higher ticket the item or service, the more research, the more like you're gonna put into it. You're not gonna spend your money on anything, right? Okay, so let's go back to the lawyer example. So what we see here again, like I mentioned last video, these are the ads, right? Right here, these are ads. Wait, what page are we on right now? This is page 4. Okay, so we're gonna pick a client from a website from page 4. We're gonna pick Gary here. I've been on their website, and then page 1. So again, the ads get 30% of the clicks, and then the organic traffic gets 70%. More likely, it's more than 70%, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to just say the organic traffic gets 70%. Okay, so Pinks & Co. Let's compare the websites. That's what we did last video. We just taught you guys this very basic stuff on how to rank yourselves on the search engines. So you can obviously tell why this website's on page 4 and this website's number 1, right? There's a huge difference. But let's go into it. Okay, so let's take this URL, put it on SERPstat. We're using SERPstat today. It's a free program that you guys will probably use at home right away. I'm assuming you guys don't want to purchase the same expensive software we use here at Gen Z. But there's some drawbacks. SERPstat isn't great, isn't perfect, but it gives you ballpark. And we just need ballpark. We're not doing actual keyword research here today. So let's duplicate that, and then let's grab Gary's domain here, URL, put that on, and boom. Okay, cool. So let's talk about Pinks right now, right? They're getting around 5,000 search engine traffic. They're ranking for around 300 organic keywords. So what's a keyword? The criminal lawyer in Winnipeg, right? That's a keyword. They're ranking for 300 different keywords. So as we can tell here, criminal lawyers in Winnipeg, this is 390 searches a month, right? 390 searches a month. 390 people looking for criminal lawyers in Winnipeg a month. This is on average, right? So 300, that's just one keyword. Now Winnipeg criminal lawyers, different variation, 390 around that. And then there's the brand. Sheldon Pinks is 210, right? He's established a brand. But in total, this website gets around 5,000 search engine traffic. Now let's look at Gary Weeb. All right. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Sorry about that. But yeah, she's not ranking for anything. Gary Weeb, she has her own brand, kind of. She's getting 40 volume for that. But best criminal lawyers in Winnipeg. I mean, the volume itself isn't great, and she's not ranking there either, right? So obviously, she's only getting 103 or whatever it was search engine traffic. Okay, so who do you think has a better lifestyle, right? Who do you think has a better clients, is getting to work on the better cases, getting to work better hours, not missing their kid's 5th birthday party because their client will just not give them a break? Who has a freedom to pick clients, right? Is it Pink's Law with their 5,000 search engine traffic, with people looking for their services, looking for criminal lawyers in Winnipeg, 400 people about that? Or is it Gary, right, who's not ranking for any of this? Obviously it's Pink's Law, right? It's obviously them. They're the ones that can afford all that, right? And I feel her pain because when we started Gen Z first, we had to do outbound, right? We worked with some tough clients. Do you think we'll work with these people again like that? Fuck no. Of course we're not going to work with them. The beautiful thing about having a consistent lead gen system is that it gives you the freedom to pick your clients and cases, right? Okay, so well, I hope you learned something today. If you haven't, go watch the first part of the Art of SEO. We'll just go into what is SEO and explain some basic SEO stuff to you. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. If you learned something, want more content, spam that thumbs up button. Comment below if you have any questions or just want to say hi. Baba and I or someone else from the team will make sure that you get your answers. And if this video is giving you clarity, reach out to us if you would like to do some work together and dominate your industry. Part 3 is coming up soon. Cheers.